Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, please visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook pages. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC. And while you're there, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. So we are getting everything finalized for the opening, where we're going to be getting the concrete brought in to the basement here. So this hole is right at the front porch. So we saw cut a hole, dug down a few feet, and we're able to dig inward where we have this dirt void here. And that's just gonna really make it easy to get the concrete brought in to build up these bulkhead high strength concrete walls. So we're gonna finish getting everything cleaned out today. We are probably going to end up building some sort of little chute just to make it a little bit easier to get concrete to the sidewall over here, because there really is no other entryway that we can use to make it any easier to get the concrete back over here. So we'll be working on that today, probably tomorrow, just to make sure everything is in place, ready to go. And then as soon as we can get concrete, we should have these poured in no time. So yeah, just to give another brief overview of everything. So we're gonna have our concrete brought in right here from the front of the house. Gonna make it real easy to get the bulkhead walls poured. Once that's done, we're going to get everything thoroughly compacted here in the basement. We still got a little bit of concrete to break up and get out of here. And then we'll pour a new high-strength concrete floor. And then using the same entry void, we are going to, essentially the third pour is going to be putting a form up over this void, and then just filling that solid with the same high strength concrete, pouring it back up to fill in where we saw cut on the porch. So 3 pours. Hopefully we can get that taken care of this week, now that all the forms are in place and we have our openings. So again, stay tuned for more updates. You can find those always on our YouTube and Facebook pages if you just search for King Piers LLC. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.